time! My name is Lori and today we are going to be making an owl food chain model. Food chains describe the order in which organisms and living things depend on each other for food. For this amazing food chain model, this is what you're going to need. Yellow, red, blue, green and white paper, a glue stick, a pencil, a black marker, a paintbrush, green, yellow and brown paint, cardboard from a box, a pair of scissors, a skewer, it's sharp, be careful, and a hot glue gun and glue sticks. Remember to ask your mom or dad for help when using the hot glue gun, the scissors, and the skewer. You will also need animal printouts. For your animal printouts, you'll need to print out 2 mice, a snake, an owl, and if you would like to, you can decorate them. I decorated mine with some pink wool, googly eyes, a feather. For the owl, you will also need a shoebox. And that's all you're going to need.
Step number 1. Roll a rectangular piece of green paper with glue at the top onto the skewer to make stems. Then cut some leaf shapes from the green paper. Step number 2. Cut many slits on your yellow piece of paper. And roll it up to form a flower shape. Attach the ends with glue. Step number 3. Draw corn on the cob on your white paper. And paint them using green and yellow paint. Then outline the shape with a black marker and cut them out. Step number 4. Cut the stems in half and attach the leaves, yellow flower shapes, and corn onto the stems using glue. Step number 5. Glue your animal printouts to a piece of cardboard, then cut them out. If you would like to, you can decorate your printouts with some googly eyes, pink woolen tails, and some feathers for your owl. All owls are predators. They depend on other animals for food. Step number 6. Draw a tree with its branches on a piece of cardboard. Then paint it brown and cut it out. Next, you're going to draw bunches of leaves onto your green piece of paper. Cut these out and then glue them onto your tree. Step number 7. Draw and cut out some clouds from a white piece of paper, some plants and bushes from a green piece of paper, a sun from a yellow piece of paper. And then you can make some flowers from any color piece of paper you prefer. I used red and yellow. Most food chains start with organisms that make their own food, such as plants. Step number 8. Write or print the names of the items: corn, mouse, snake, and owl on a piece of white paper. and draw some arrows on a yellow piece of paper. Then cut them out and set them aside. Step number 9. Cut the lid off of your shoebox and re-glue it to the bottom of your shoebox, standing upwards. Then glue a piece of blue paper to the back of the lid and a green piece of paper on the bottom of the shoebox. Step number 10. Begin by attaching all of your elements to the base. The sun, the clouds, the corn, the animals, the tree, etc. Step number 11. Attach the labels and the arrows to the correct parts of the food chain. Being at the top of the food chain, owls have a wider range of food options than smaller birds.
Wow, doesn't this food chain model look great? Now that you have learned some more fun facts about how food chains work, please remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.